This is just a little update on the Robomow RS622. About 2 months after use. All I've had to do is run my small lawnmower for about 20 minutes and then entire last 2 months to get a couple of spots that I'm not covering with the small mower, with the robot mower. The rest, it's doing all itself. I haven't had to touch it or tell it to do anything. As you can see over on the edge of the lawn, that's a neighbor's yard, and they have not mowed once over there. So you see my robot is doing its job. Two months. I did turn up the frequency of mowing for about a week after it rained a lot for a week, and then I turned it back to intermediate, which intermediate is twice a week, and just totally impressed. It's doing a fantastic job. No problems. Only thing I've had to do, like I said, after it rained a lot, I had to clean the wheels off one time. Let's take a walk around and see what it looks like. Gets around the bushes and everything fine. Just bumps into them, turns around, goes another direction. I have two sub-zones set up, one on the side of the yard on the other side of the driveway, and the second sub-zone is this front yard area. I'm not saying my quality of the lawn is not fantastic, but that's not the mower's fault. That's fine. I'll be working on that over the next couple of years. We'll go over here to subzone 1, which is the side of the yard. And she's out mowing already right now. Check her out doing the job. So she says she is mowing. A little dirty. And you get to see her in action a little bit. She just kind of goes to the perimeter wire and turns around kind of randomly, goes another direction till it finds a perimeter wire again, turns around again, and that's the way it works. Eventually it gets it all. Let's see what our app says. If I can get my phone to work here. Trying to do my phone one-handed here. Alright, this out. Have to get kind of close to it or to find it. Looks like my Bluetooth is not finding it. Come on, baby. Alright, there's finally connected. Alright, now it's going to retrieve what it's currently doing. It says it has 5.7 hours. It's 59% into the mowing cycle. When it's done with that cycle, it'll rest up until the next cycle. You can stop it. You can do a lot of things with this app. You can make setting changes, things like that. Works great. Yeah, that's my little update on the robot lawnmower and how it's working. Fantastic so far.